everyone! Welcome to our special lesson about birds. Birds are amazing creatures with feathers, wings, and beaks. Today, we're going to learn about different types of birds and what makes them unique. Are you ready to explore the world of birds with me? Great! Let's start with a bird you might see every day. Look outside, and you might spot a small brown bird hopping on the ground. Does anyone know what it's called? A sparrow. That's right! Sparrows are small and quick. They love to hop around and find seeds to eat. Sparrows are one of the most common birds in cities and towns. Now let's talk about a much bigger bird. This bird soars high in the sky and has an amazing wingspan. It's called an eagle. Eagles are known for their incredible eyesight and sharp talons, which they use to catch prey. They are powerful and majestic birds. Look at this beautiful bird. This is a peacock. Peacocks are famous for their bright colors and long, flowing tails. During their mating season, peacocks fan out their tails to attract a mate. It's like a beautiful, colorful show. Next, let's talk about a bird that's popular during the holiday season. This is a robin. Robins are known for their bright red breasts and sweet songs. They are often seen in gardens and parks, hopping around looking for worms. Sometimes, birds like to travel in groups. This is called a flock. You might see a flock of geese flying in a V formation. Geese travel together when they migrate to find warmer weather. They honk as they fly to communicate with each other. Now, here's a bright and cheerful bird. This is a canary. Canaries are known for their beautiful singing. People often keep them as pets because of their lovely voices. They can be found in many different colors, but the bright yellow canary is the most famous.
We've learned about sparrows, eagles, peacocks, robins, canaries, and geese. Each bird is unique and has its own special features. Birds are wonderful creatures, and they make our world more beautiful with their songs and colors. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning about our feathered friends. Keep your eyes open, and you might spot some birds around your home or school. See you next time.